Kitang-kita yung ebidensya. Ay, ang ganda ko today! Okay, a 10-minute hack before putting on your makeup. Kala ko dati, kapag kiki yung makeup mo, it's because of the foundation. Apparently, hindi talaga. Skin prep talaga. Like, you can have the best foundation ever, pero kung dry and dehydrated yung skin mo, wala. Maghihiwalay talaga sila. Sayang naman. I mean, yung makeup mo. Let me share you my little quick skin prep. Actually, been using the Skintific Sheet Mask. And honestly, maganda siya. Lalo na kung quick skin prep lang. And especially kung gusto mong yung skin mo to look more brighter, smoother, and hydrated. So, before anything else, gusto ko ng ebidensya. So, gagawin natin yung half face test. 10 minutes, pwede ka muna mag-scroll, stop. Tada! Put on makeup. Try natin with makeup. So, powder lang tayo today. A little goes a long way. Sabi telling you. Ito talaga yung ginagawa kong primer bago mag-makeup. Kasi, let's put on this side. See the difference? Iba yung lapat ng makeup na to this side. A little reminder lang, sometimes hindi talaga foundation ang problema. Kailangan lang natin ng better skin prep. And alam niyo yung best part, kailangan mo lang ng 10 minutes for this. Aminin niyo, ang ganda ko today. Diba? Girl. Kitang-kita yung ebidensya. Ay, ang ganda ko today. If you're also tired of your makeup, looking cakey, textured, or dry, 10 minutes lang, then you're good to go. Goodbye!